Good morning. Today I am going to make an attempt at replacing the spark plugs and also cleaning or replacing, depending on what you have, the air filter. This car has a K&N filter in it, so I'll be taking it out and cleaning it and then reinstalling it later. And so let's get started. First off, you have to pop this cover loose. It's held in by I think it's 3 grommets, and this is already loose. I think the last time somebody looked at it, they didn't put it back on securely. But anyway, you'll take that loose just so you can move things around a little bit more easily. And then first off, let's see, we need to take off this, disconnect this hose. It's really easiest to take it loose from up under the housing where you can get to the screw a little more easily. The one down here, it's down below, and it's just a little bit harder to get to, but whichever is your preference. But I'm going to try taking it loose up here at the housing. Alright, we'll start with this flat blade screwdriver. Loosen this clamp. That's much easier doing it that way. Alright, once you get this loose, you want to reach up underneath here and remove this plug, which is, I believe, the mass airflow intake sensor. Anyway, that's getting all that loose. And you have this one on the back that has to be taken loose with another screwdriver. Okay, this main air intake here, let's see, has a 1/4 inch head on the little hose clamp. Loosen that up. And it came right off. Yay, that's it. Here's where the fun begins. We have 7 Torx bit fasteners, 3 across here and 4 back here, and it is, the measurement is a T25 Torx bit, and I will get started here in just a moment with it. Here's a quick look showing 3 here and the 4 across the back here. There we go. Housing pops off, and here's a filthy K&N filter. Looks nice on that side, but it's definitely got a lot of dirt in there, so that might be part of the car's running issues. So now I will be cleaning this one, probably off camera, but we'll see. Now where the air filter is soaking, I will start getting the spark plugs ready to remove. Each one has its own little independent coil with a little bolt hex head screw holding them in place. First thing you want to do is clean out this little trough where the plugs are. As you can see, there's lots of dirt and leaf bits and things like that, and you sure don't want that falling down into your spark plug holes. Now to remove the coils, you do have to remove these 10mm little bolts that hold them in place. And they just pull right out without any effort at all. Nice and easy. Nice thing is it's all in a loom, so you can't mix them up. Okay, back to removing the plugs. You will need a 5/8 inch spark plug socket. You get way down in there. This is the K&N recharger. It's the air filter cleaning kit. There is a spray bottle of the cleaner and a little aerosol of the oil that you'll put on afterwards. Once it's done, be sure to let it dry for several hours before putting it back in the car. And after that, you're ready to put everything back together. Turn it over and soak it real good and let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then you'll be able to rinse it off. Alright, 10 minutes are up and I am washing from the clean side out using a gentle shower, and you can see just how nasty that filter has gotten. And according to the instructions, you may need to do this 1 or 2 times with the cleaning and the rinsing, and I think I will just to be sure. Alright, now that the filter is dried, go back and with the aerosol and spray fairly liberally on all the peaks, all the pleats of the filter. And it's best to do it on both sides. Soak for about 20 minutes, and if it needs more, if you get any light patches to show up from where it's soaked in, you'll hit it again with the oil. Okay, after 2 applications of the oil, we've got an air filter that's ready to go back in. And for those that are interested, the part number is 33-2339, and everything's ready to go back together. There, that's all in. Plug the map sensor back in. That appears to be it.